Hello friends, my name is Nikhil Jain. Welcome to my this new YouTube video. Today I will discuss about Nikhil combined footing design. This is Excel sheet program. In this sheet you have to enter data in yellow cell. First of all you have to enter footing number. After that you have to enter unfactored load of P1 and P2 in kilonewton, safe bearing capacity in kilonewton per meter square, size of column C1 and C2 in millimeter, C1 column distance from property line in meter, spacing between C1 and C2 in meter, concrete grade 20 or 25 or 30 or 35 or 40, and steel grade 415 or 500 or 550 according to need. After that you have to enter width of footing in meter and diameter of bar in millimeter as per requirement in next yellow cell. Width should be such that area of footing is okay. If it's not okay, change width of footing. After width of footing get okay, enter minimum depth of footing D in mm in yellow cell, such that check for shear get safe and other two type check is getting okay. If not okay, change or increase depth of footing until check getting safe and other two check is getting okay. This is trial and error method. After depth of footing get okay, enter bar diameter used in yellow cell, for transverse top reinforcement. After that click on add to schedule button. You can see drawing with reinforcement detail. You can see detail reinforcement schedule in combined footing schedule sheet. As seen in drawing and schedule, this is footing mark 1 and 2. Size of footing, length 6400 mm, width 1720 mm and overall depth 910 mm, two type of top longitudinal reinforcement, top 1 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 43 mm, length 6300 mm and top 2 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 43 mm, length 5450 mm place alternate. 3 type of bottom longitudinal reinforcement, bottom 1 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 178 mm, length 1254 mm, bottom 2 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 178 mm, length 2208 mm, and bottom 3 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 178 mm, full length 6300 mm place alternate. Transverse reinforcement at top of diameter 12 mm, spacing 103 mm, length 1620 mm, at bottom under column C1 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 103 mm, length 1620 mm, at bottom under column C2 of diameter 12 mm, spacing 103 mm, length 1620 mm and in middle remaining portion of diameter 12 mm, spacing 103 mm, length 1620 mm. You can also see concrete grade, concrete quantity in meter square and weight of steel in kilogram.